in 2020, Rarible is a popular NFT marketplace and minting platform that has the advantage of supporting multiple blockchains. Tune in to find out how Rarible works and how the protocol can help you earn royalties on your NFT. First of all, Rarible is super easy to access. You can simply connect with your Exodus Web3 wallet for Chrome or Brave. Although most Rarible transactions are based on Ethereum and Solana, the marketplace is also integrated with alternative chains like Tezos, Immutable X, and Flow. So even though centralized exchanges like OpenSea have a lot more trading volume and a larger selection of NFTs than Rarible, the Rarible exchange supports some chains that OpenSea doesn't. Rarible also has a helpful verification feature to ensure that high-profile digital artists and NFT collections are legit. There are more than 300,000 digital assets listed on Rarible, including non-fungible tokens, Ethereum domain names, and virtual land plots from protocols like Decentraland. One of Rarible's most popular features is its wide selection of gaming and trading card NFTs. Players can purchase Gods Unchained, Guild of Guardians, Planet Quest, and Metropolis World NFTs, among many others. Many of these NFTs are based on the Immutable X sidechain, so the gas fees for trading them is extremely low. Rarible also has a great feature that lets you see exactly how much using the exchange will cost. Whether it's buying an asset, minting a new NFT, or claiming Rarible token rewards, the gas fees are all listed on the Rarible Analytics website. Like many blockchain-based applications, Rarible is governed by a DAO that is facilitated by the RARI governance token. RARI token holders can vote on how the protocol is managed and submit new proposals for products and features that Rarible should add. Minting a new NFT on Rarible only takes a few minutes, and you could do it on Rarible's website. An artist only needs to upload an image, fill out some basic information, decide on a sale price, and pay the minting. Rarible NFTs are minted on the Ethereum blockchain by default. And as we mentioned earlier, one of Rarible's coolest features is that content creators can mint NFTs with a built-in royalty payment. For example, when an artist creates an NFT, they can encode it with a 10% royalty. Every time the NFT is sold, 10% of the sale price goes directly to the artist. A great source of passive income for confident creators. Why not try the full Rarible experience with Exodus? If you don't already have the Exodus Web3 wallet, you can just download it for free by clicking above. Exodus works with Rarible, OpenSea, Uniswap, Compound, and dozens of other Web3 protocols in the fast-growing world of DeFi.